Welcome to the factory of Brilliant Lathe. Today we will introduce to you a 4-in-1 laser welding machine. The same machine does laser welding, cleaning, and cutting. The laser head is stable and safe, the processing quality is good. Touch intelligent control screen, easy to install and easy to operate. Install the laser welding nozzle of the laser heads. The machine is ready for welding. After turning on the machine, set the parameters according to the different materials welded. After powering on, press the laser button, ready for welding. Our laser welding machines can weld almost any metal. Including carbon steel, stainless steel, iron, alloy steel, titanium, nickel, tin, copper, aluminum, chromium, niobium, gold, silver and other metals and their alloys. The laser welding machine comes with 18 different languages. Machine language supports customization. Prepare the laser cleaning function and replace the cleaning part of the machine. Switch the cleaning function in the control system. After restarting, the machine will display the laser cleaning function. Start cleaning after setting parameters. The machine can remove paint, rust, oil or dust from all metal and non-metallic surfaces. The machine can remove paint, rust, oil or dust from all metal and non-metallic surfaces. Prepare the laser cutting function and replace the cutting nozzles of the machine. The machine completes the cutting function.